Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making brown butter pasta. Guys, the best pasta ever dunked into brown butter and flavored with black pepper. On today's recipe, I'm using fresh cracked black pepper. The flavor is more fragrant and powerful than the ground pepper. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Start by bringing a big pot of water to a boil, then add salt and the pasta. Cook according to the instructions on the package. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna move on to work on the brown butter. Melt the butter on a thick bottomed skillet on medium heat. Continue to cook the butter, stirring frequently. Once melted, the butter will foam up a bit, then subside. Watch carefully as slightly brown specks begin to form at the bottom of the pan. Smell the butter and it should have a nutty flavor. It's pretty easy, guys, to overwork brown butter and go from brown to burnt. If it starts to blacken, discard and start over. Toss in black pepper and immediately turn off the heat and let it cool slightly before adding the pasta. Add the pasta, mix well, and immediately serve. Feel free to add in any proteins or veggies you like. You guys, you are going to love this recipe. I hope you'll try it. We also always grate some extra parmesan on top of each serving dish. Guys, it's so delicious. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.